So you've seen that red hair is trending and you like the idea of it, but it just feels a little bit bold for you. Here's something that I think you're going to love. It's one of my favorite trending hair colors for 2024 spring. Burgundy Brunette has all of that richness and those red tones that are everywhere at the moment, but being put in a brown base, this is going to be a lot softer and easier to wear for most people. Think of what Cowgirl Copper was to Bold Copper, a more wearable, softer brunette version of that copper. Burgundy Brunette is very much that for that oxblood red shade that we've been talking about. Now, many of you will know sometimes you get red tones in brunette hair whether you like it or not. So if you like the idea of trying this, you'll be pleased to know that it's actually quite an easy shade to achieve. Whether you're darker or whether you're lighter, this really rich reddy brunette is actually going to be quite doable by your hairstylist. The most important thing here to know is that it's one of the shades that will make your hair look the healthiest it's ever going to look, because that richness, that shine and that vibrancy will really help to bring life back into your hair. I never normally recommend dyeing the hair darker because you've damaged it, because often it doesn't look healthier, whereas these kind of tones do tend to stay shiny in the hair for quite a while, especially if you're using colored conditioners to top it up with at home. So if you're missing that shine and gloss from your hair and you like the idea of this shade, this is going to